Welcome back to Live for Loving Nature. Hope you all are doing good. Today our topic is free organic liquid fertilizers and ways of using them. Some of you might be aware of free organic liquid fertilizers and ways of using them, or some may not even know what I am talking about. This video will help both of you. We are healthy when we eat healthy. Similarly, for plants to live and grow healthy or to give a very good harvest of vegetables and fruits, we need also provide good food to them. Like you heard in my earlier videos, every plant has different needs. We need to provide food, meaning fertilizers, according to each plant. First source of organic liquid fertilizer is rice. Rice is one of the most commonly used food in so many households. Using unpolished rice is good for you and as well as plants too. If you are using double polished rice, no problem. You can use this water also to feed your plants. But always remember, use always second time washed water to feed your plants, because first time washed water contains more negative results than positive. For preparing this liquid fertilizer, take a bowl with 1 glass of rice, wash it with plain water, throw it away, again fill the rice with fresh water and soak it for 12 hours. After 12 hours, take the water and feed this water to all the plants. This water contains good amount of NPK. It helps to improve your soil quality. The other way is collect the leftover rice cooked water, dilute the water and feed this water to all the plants. We can feed this water to all kind of plants. It will help encourage beneficial soil bacteria and will add small amount of NPK to the soil. Other ones are ragi washed water and sesam washed water. Both the waters contains rich amount of calcium, iron and magnesium. These waters will help to so many vegetable plants and fruit plants. A small tip for vegetarians: you people can prepare calcium rich fertilizers with the help of ragi and sesam instead of using eggs. We can use this water to feed our plants directly without diluting. In the same way, we can feed our plants with all kind of pulses soaked water like moong dal, soya beans, pigeon peas and so on. This water contains rich amount of potassium, phosphorus and micronutrients like zinc, copper and so on. All the vegetable and fruit plants need these nutrients. While feeding, dilute the fertilizer into 1:1 ratio of plain water and feed them. Hope you all got the basic idea of how can we feed our plants with all the essential nutrients which they need. The next major source of free organic liquid fertilizer is kitchen scrap. We all use vegetables and fruits in our daily routines. Here I have collected some kitchen scrap, which is potato skin, beetroot skin, onion skin and radish leaves. Potato skin contains potassium, beetroot skin contains iron, onion skin contains magnesium, iron, calcium. Like that way, each and every vegetable contains their own nutrients. For preparing this solution, take all the waste in glass container, fill the waste with plain water, or we can use rice soaked water instead of plain water. It gives better result. After filling the water, close the lid, leave it for 3 days. Don't forget open and close the container every day. It helps to avoid gas formation. After 3 days of soaking the kitchen waste in rice soaked water, take out the water which can be used as a organic liquid fertilizer. You can dilute this liquid in 1:1 ratio of water and feed to your plants. For the remaining kitchen waste, recycle it through home compost or check my other video how to grow veggies and greens directly from kitchen scrap. So far, we learned about how to provide potassium and phosphorus through fertilizers. Now we will see how to provide the most important nutrient, which is nitrogen. Nitrogen is very essential for all the plants. It is abundantly available in used tea and coffee powder, which are used in most of the households. The rest of the green tea powder or leaves can be directly put at the top layer of the soil. If you are using milk-based tea, do not use the rest tea powder to the soil because it has lot of fat and sugar substances which are not good for plant growth. You have to wash and then dry it before use. While used coffee grounds are only slightly acidic, fresh coffee grounds have more acid. Your acid-loving plants like lily of the valley, blueberries, carrots and radishes and so on can get a boost from fresh grounds. We can feed our plants with fresh grounds. Apart from providing nitrogen to the plants, the tea and coffee powder help in holding back water for longer time like cocoa coir, and this also encourages earthworms to germinate. So adding this used tea or coffee powder to your compost pile will also help to germinate earthworms. Now we'll see quickly what are the important notes to remember. Before giving liquid fertilizers to the plant, the soil should be dry. Second one, soil should not be hard. It must be loosened so that all the liquids what we give to the plant will take easily. The third one, we can give directly to the plant or we can give as a foliar spray. In this foliar spray, leaves will take all the nutrients from the fertilizers quickly than giving directly in the soil. I prefer to use organic liquid fertilizers to feed my plants, so the results are here. Following organic methods will make your life near to the nature, which is the goal of our channel. You always have choice. Even small things matter. Thanks for watching. See you again in another video of Live for Loving Nature. Bye bye.